Hook, have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to send money quickly and easily? Maybe it was a last-minute dinner split with friends, or perhaps you needed to pay a contractor for a small job. Zelle is a popular mobile payment app that offers a convenient way to transfer funds between bank accounts. But does Ally Bank support Zelle? In this video, we'll dive into that question and explore the different options available for sending and receiving money through Ally Bank *. Understanding Zelle. What is Zelle? Zelle is a peer-to-peer payment network that allows users to send money directly from their bank accounts to other people's bank accounts using just their mobile number or email address. It's a quick and secure way to transfer funds, and it's often integrated into online banking platforms. How does Zelle work? To use Zelle, you typically need to have a bank account that supports the service. Once you've enrolled, you can add your recipient's mobile number or email address and the amount you want to send. The funds are usually transferred within minutes. Ally Bank and Zelle. Ally Bank's stance on Zelle. Unfortunately, as of current date, Ally Bank does not directly support Zelle. This means that you cannot send or receive money using Zelle through your Ally Bank account. However, there are still ways to transfer funds between Ally Bank and other accounts that do support Zelle. Alternative methods for transferring funds. ACH transfers. Ally Bank offers ACH transfers, which are electronic fund transfers between bank accounts. You can use ACH to send money to a recipient's bank account, even if they don't have Zelle. However, ACH transfers may take a few business days to complete. Bill Pay. Ally Bank's Bill Pay feature allows you to send money to businesses or individuals. While it's not as fast as Zelle, it can be a convenient option for certain transactions. Mobile wallets. Ally Bank does support mobile wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay. You can use these wallets to make purchases or send money to other people, but you'll need to ensure that your recipient also has a compatible mobile wallet. Additional considerations. Security. Zelle is generally considered a secure payment method, but it's important to be aware of potential scams. Always verify the recipient's identity before sending money, and be cautious of unsolicited requests for funds. Fees. Some banks may charge fees for using Zelle or other payment methods. It's a good idea to check with Ally Bank to see if there are any associated costs. Conclusion. Summary. While Ally Bank doesn't currently support Zelle, there are other options available for transferring funds. ACH transfers, Bill Pay, and mobile wallets can be used to send money to other accounts. Call to action. If you're looking for a bank that supports Zelle, you might want to explore other options that offer this feature. However, if you're already satisfied with Ally Bank services and don't need Zelle, you can continue using the alternative methods discussed in this video. Closing. End sharply. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.